I already know we already been through the comb thing and the wooden comb and this and that, but you guys know how I am. When I get excited about something, I just can't hold my peace. Hey guys, welcome back. What's going on, everybody? And I am talking to my subbies and my newbies. And just in case you don't know which category applies to you, subbies, well, you and I, we already have a rapport. We've been around the block a time or two. Newbies, that's anybody maybe checking me out for the first time, maybe for the second. I just want everybody, that's my subs and my noobs, to come on in. Okay, so today we have a quickie. Honey, I am going to tell on myself because yes, oops, I did it again. Now let me explain myself. Now you guys know, okay, all those who are already initiated, you guys know that I recently bought a wooden comb. Yes, this wooden comb. And I told you guys that I liked it a whole lot. You know, at first, I wasn't too sure what was going on with it because it's supposed to be anti-static. Well, honey, the more you use it, the more it becomes anti-static because of the natural oils in your hair. Well, let me tell you something. I was so impressed. Well, I was just looking. I just happened to look. Okay, I went on to look because this one has a handle. But I just said, you know what? Let me just do a little looking and see if they have the comb that is a lot like my plastic comb. Maybe something a little smaller. Just travel size, pocketbook size, purse size. You get my drift. So I was looking, and guess what I saw? I saw a wooden comb that looked a lot like this one. So I said, should I? Shouldn't I? Should I? Shouldn't I? Well, let me just end the suspense for you. I did. So I did it again. I bought another wooden comb. But hold on. Like I said, this one's a little different. Well, it's still a wooden comb. But this one is from the Body Shop. And this one is a lot like the one I already have as far as the plastic comb. And again, wooden combs, they help to disperse oils throughout your scalp as well as your hair. And also they are anti-static. So anybody who lives in an area where, it's very dry, or if you have issues with static in your hair, like I was having at some point, wooden comb you may want to invest in, okay? And it doesn't cost too much. And they come in all different varieties. So now that we've got the backstory on the comb, let me get to the front story and let you know what I think of it. So again, this is from the Body Shop. And to compare the two, of course, this one has a handle. This one does not. This one is smaller and this one is bigger. Okay, we already got that. So not only is this one wide tooth, but this one is considered wide tooth as well. This one is made out of sandalwood. And this one, it has like a wooden smell to it. And again, I only mention this just in case people have an aversion to smells or they're very sensitive to it. It just smells like wood. Now, this one is made out of bamboo. Okay, so this one is made out of bamboo. And this one, unlike the sandalwood, it doesn't seem to be coated or glossed, I should say. I'm sure it's coated with something to preserve the wood, but it's not glossy like the other one. And everything still feels very smooth, okay? Just as smooth as the other comb. Now with bamboo has a lot of benefits as far as your skin because it has silica in it. And silica produces collagen. And collagen helps to firm up the skin as well as give it a nice glow. And bamboo is also known to have hydrating benefits as well. So again, it's very smooth. I don't feel any snags on it. And it's just a tiny bit smaller, not by much, maybe by one row of teeth than my plastic comb. As well as my plastic comb seems to be a little deeper as far as the teeth, and this one is a little more shallow or narrow, if you will. But it still does the job. Again, I love this one with the handle. But I just wanted something that was, I don't don't know, like I said, a little travel size, and I'm just so used to my plastic comb. I was just wondering, I was just thinking, I was just pondering the idea of getting a comb that is much like the plastic one that I already have. So with that being said, I have been using it and I like it. I like it a lot, okay? And I already know we already been through the comb thing and the wooden comb and this and that, but you guys know how I am. When I get excited about something, I just can't hold my mule. I gotta come in here and tell all of y'all what is going down in Dolce's town, okay? So with that being said, I like it. I've been using it. And just like with the first comb, when I used it and I was a little nervous because the static was still there, this one, again, with wooden combs, the more you use it and the natural oils from your scalp, which is the sebum, that's going to help season the comb, if you will. And that's when the anti-static benefits kick in. But of course, you don't have to wait until then. As one of you guys told me, and I thank you so much, you can season the comb with a little bit of olive oil, just a little bit of oil, whatever type of oil. You don't want to do too much, but just a little bit of oil, and that's going to help coat the comb and rev it up to do that anti-static thing as well. So you got two choices. Either you can do it now or you can do it later, progressively, and end up with the same benefits as far as anti-static, as well as the disbursement of not only the products that you would use on your hair, but as well as the natural oils from your scalp, and disperse that all throughout your hair as well. Now, this is said to be a detangling comb and that you can use it use it while your hair is wet. I personally would not do that. Only because I would just use my plastic comb. So for me, I'm still using the plastic comb to detangle while wet. But these little babies, my baby number 1 and my baby number 2, I guess this isn't a baby, I guess this is auntie and niece, or mama and them. Anyway, you get my drift. This and this, my 2 wooden combs, I personally don't use it while wet, and if anything, I would probably use this one while wet because it does have, and you can see the gloss. This has already been, I guess, treated for that and buffed up. It seems like it would withstand water more so than the bamboo. The bamboo seems a little bit more raw and untouched. I'm sure it's touched by something and, prepped with something. But I'm just going to use it while dry. So that one's going to be the homebody. This one's going to be the traveling companion. Now with this, the Body Shop. Now you guys saw when I opened up the one comb and it came in a little sleeve, like a plastic sleeve, and no one had touched it and all like that. Everything was copacetic. With this particular comb, the Body Shop, they put a sticker on it. And it just came in the bag. I ordered mine from Amazon, but you can order it also from the Body Shop, their website as well. And it's only a couple bucks. This particular wooden comb, because the other one was about, I think I said about $9, whatever. This one is about $7. And for some reason, they put a sticker around the comb, like actually on the comb, like a sticky sticker, and it wraps around the comb. Now, obviously, I've already taken that off. But I just want to give you a heads up with regard to that. I read in the comments, before I clicked by, that some people were having issues with the stickers. Now, I will say this. Yes, it came with the sticker on the comb, but I really didn't have an issue getting it off and then getting off the sticky residue. All I did was I just peeled it because, like I said, it comes wrapped around like this. Okay, so it comes on the teeth of the comb as well. So all I did was peel it off, okay, very carefully and very slowly. And whatever was left over as far as the residue, the sticky residue from the sticker, I just ran my fingers over it and let the natural oils from my hands sort of do its magic. And then what I did was I pressed my hands on the comb to let the heat from my hands as well sort of lift up the stickiness or unstick the stickiness. And then I just rolled it off. I just rolled off whatever was residual from the stickers. And there's nothing on it. It was that easy for me. Now I've heard people, or I've seen in the comments where people say put it in the freezer. That can get the sticker off, okay? Some people put a hair dryer on it. The heat from the hair dryer helped to unstick the comb. As well as I've seen someone say that they tried to scrub it off with something. And I will, of course, just tell you, please don't scrub this comb. If you get this and it has the sticker on it and you're not able to get everything off, be patient. Do not scrub it with anything. Don't scrub it with Brillo. You don't have to put it under the water. Please don't do that because you're going to ruin the comb. So with that being said, all you have to do is peel it off and work it off with your finger. I say work it off with the oils of your finger pads and just sort of smooth it off, and it'll roll up. You know, it'll roll up in little balls and you'll be able to take it off that way. So that's the only caveat that I can think of, because everything else lines up. It's nice and sturdy. You can see the spine of the comb. It's pretty thick, so it's not easily, I mean, unless you're trying to break it, it shouldn't be easily broken. It should last you for a while. And again, it was only $7. So with that being said, it was not a huge investment in a great product. So I told y'all this was going to be a quickie. I just had to come in here and show you my new wooden comb. You know, I get excited about some stuff. And like I said, I liked the first one so much that I wanted a second version that I could just take with me. And I am very happy with this comb. I'm done, y'all. I'm not going to buy another comb. So don't worry about me. Dolce is fine. I am not obsessed with wooden combs. I got my 2 and now I'm through. So now that I am done confessing about my second wooden comb, because now I got 2, 1, 2, we can get up out of here and put a button on it. Okay? All right. So that wasn't too bad, right? We were in and out okay. I want to thank you so much for dialing in and showing up. I really do appreciate it. I really do. I really do. And yeah, we'll be back talking about some more stuff, because that's what we do around here. We talk about some stuff. So you gotta come back for that. So you already know. It's going to be the same Dolce dial. It's going to be the same Dolce channel. So you come on back.